Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you through how to fix PayPal not sending a verification code so you can log in or confirm your account without delays. First, this issue usually happens due to network problems, incorrect contact details, or temporary system delays. Start by checking that your phone number or email is entered correctly in your PayPal account settings and that you still have access to it. Next, make sure your phone has a stable signal and can receive messages. If you're using SMS verification, try switching your network or restarting your phone, then request the code again. Also, check your spam or junk folder if you're expecting the code by email, as it can sometimes be filtered there. Another important step is to avoid requesting the code multiple times quickly, because PayPal may temporarily block further attempts. Wait a few minutes, then try again. If you're using a VPN, turn it off, since it can interfere with verification. You can also try logging in from a different browser or the PayPal app. If the problem still continues, contact PayPal support to verify your account manually. And that's how you can fix this issue and receive your verification code successfully. Subscribe the channel for more videos.